Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the frustrating issue of your iPad not charging in 2025, don't worry, we've got you covered with this straightforward guide. Whether it's a brand new iPad Pro or an older model, these steps will help you troubleshoot and get back to full battery life quickly. Let's dive right in. First things first, start with the basics. Check your charging cable and adapter. Sometimes, a faulty cable is the culprit. Try using a different one, preferably an official Apple USB-C or Lightning cable, to see if that makes a difference. It's amazing how often a simple swap fixes the problem. Next, inspect your iPad's charging port. Dust, lint, or debris can build up over time, especially if you use a case. Grab a soft, dry toothbrush or compressed air and gently clean the port. Be careful not to damage anything. Remember, we're aiming for a quick fix, not a trip to the repair shop. Now, let's move on to software solutions. Restart your iPad by holding down the power button until the slider appears, then slide to power off and turn it back on. This can resolve temporary glitches that might be interrupting the charging process. If that doesn't work, head to Settings, General, Software Update. Make sure your iOS is up to date, as Apple often releases fixes for charging issues in their updates. Once installed, plug in your iPad and check if it's charging now. Still no luck? Try resetting your settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPad, Reset greater than Reset all settings. This won't delete your data, but it can clear out any corrupted configurations causing the problem. As a last resort, if none of these steps help, it could be a hardware issue. In that case, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. They can diagnose if there's a problem with your battery or port. There you have it. Simple, effective ways to fix your iPad not charging in 2025. I hope this video saved you time and frustration. If it did, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.